So good morning internet, it's 9:30 in the morning. We just got freshed up. So now the plan is to have a breakfast and do some local sightseeing here in Munnar. Maybe we will rent a bike and roam around the area. So we will keep you updated on whatever the places that we are roaming around. So this is the view from our hotel. The weather today is very pleasant. There are no rainy clouds. It's very clear. Although at night it was raining a lot. Yeah, okay then. See you at the cafeteria. This is the view from outside our rooms. And this is our room. So this is our lovely cafeteria. We have a breakfast here. I'll quickly take some and I'll meet you after that. So this is what our breakfast looks like. This is white stew. This is potato bhaji. This is toasted bread with jam, some butter, fruit salad, and I don't know what this is called. I guess uppam something. Dosa. Okay. So our hotel provides us like pickup and drop services from the main road. So the driver directly dropped us to the bus stop and then we quickly caught a bus. And so now we are going to Old Munnar so that we can like rent a bike from there itself. So we have reached Old Munnar bus stop just now. So we are behind this. Behind me is this post office. So we are sending some postcards back home as a token of remembrance from one of the highest tea plantations in South India. After this, I guess we'll be booking a rental bike, and we will roam some places in here, like the Metopeti Dam and some tea plantations in here. So we'll meet you after this. So then we headed out to search for rental bikes. Yeah. So we tried to get some rental bikes, but we could not get any. So what we have decided for now is we'll just take the rickshaw only. He's charging somewhere around 1,300 to go towards Metopeti route, and he will show us around 6-7 places. So that's it for the journey now. So we will just keep you updated about what are the places that we will be visiting. So our first place was Flower Garden. We chose the Metopeti road as there are a lot of tourist attractions over there. So our rickshaw driver just informed us that these tea plantations are around 120 years old and they were started by the British. But the landscape is just amazing, acres and acres of tea plantations. And the second destination was the thing on mine was to do some elephant rides. But then there is a lot of rush over here. We decided that we can do it on our way back if possible. After that we went to Metopeti Dam. It is on the route. So here we can do boat riding as well. So we just took a walk on the dam. We did not go to the lower side. Then we were feeling very hungry, so we thought we'll have some potato twisters. We took one hard and one soft one. And And we were very lucky to like spot some elephants as well, right as we go. And like it was the first time that I saw elephant with like actual tusks. Okay, now we did not expect cocoa fruits over here. Like I saw videos, but I did not see them in Munnar. And then we were very excited, like we will have this. And then like the seller only like told us that they make chocolates out of the seeds, and he explained to us the process, like how like we can make chocolates at home as well. We have come to Eco Point and we got some cocoa, no,
Cocoa fruit.
cocoa fruits and some passion fruits as well. So the seeds of this can be processed into chocolate. So we finally reached Top View station. Just look at the view from here. It's really good. Now this is Tamil Nadu. The auto driver just told us that this is Madurai. So this is the city of Tamil Nadu. So top station is almost at on the border of Kerala, and that is the highest tea plantation in South India. Yeah, that's what that auto driver said. And yeah, and we stopped to have food now. So like I'll just briefly like tell you what we are eating. Rice, pickle, sambaji and bhaji also. Rasam, sambar, chutney and fish gravy. Yeah, fish gravy. So we have come to visit the tea factory in Munnar. So we will just get the entrance and we will get back. We will show you all, might be whatever is the inside. Yeah, so visiting Kerala and not going to any waterfall is like Britain complete. So like we came to this waterfall, it's like just on the way itself, but the waterfall is like amazing. It's 7:15 in the evening. We just reached our rooms from the whole day of travel. It was a very wonderful time in Munnar. We are just having some tea and some bhajiyas for now. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe. And if you liked anything, please do comment too. Till then, see you all in the next video. Bye.